spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right, shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my, spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right, shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my, spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right, shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my, spotlight, moonlight.
Yo, what is going on, guys? RoyalPickups here with a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing something very different, very exciting. We're going to be unboxing some Supreme. I picked up on week 1 and week 4. So week 1 I picked up the white chair tee, and then for the week 4 I picked up the white Terror Dome Public Enemy tee. So we're going to be unboxing the week 4 one, and then I already opened up the chair tee. I got that like 2-3 weeks ago. But if you guys are new to this channel, I do tons of videos like this. I do tons of shoes, streetwear, all kinds of stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. But anyways, guys, let's get right into this video. I'm gonna be going into this white chair tee. So here it is in size medium. They run a little bit large. So let's get right into this graphic here. So there is the actual logo itself. It's the chair, says Supreme across the front, and it's got some lettering down at the bottom. And then here is the tag there. This was actually my first Supreme clothing pickup I've ever had, so this was very exciting for me. It came with one sticker. It was just the regular Supreme box logo sticker. Alright, so into what I'm really excited about on this video is the week 4 Public Enemy Undercover shirt, the Terror Dome tee. So I haven't actually unboxed this at all yet, so I'm really excited to get into it. But in the bag here, we did get blessed with a poster. I've already looked at this thing and it's so amazing. I was so happy to get a poster in this drop. So here we go. On the back of it is the Supreme and then the Public Enemy with the Undercover logos there. We'll open it up here, and then here it is. Back up a little bit for you guys. So it's a little bit of a smaller poster. It's kind of crinkled. It came crinkled, which is a little bit sad, but that's all right. I think I'm gonna frame this and actually hang it up. For a little bit of more backdrop for you guys for these videos, but I'll give you guys a much closer view here for this poster. I just really was so excited when I saw this in there, and I was also blessed enough to have one of these sticker packs, so let's get right into that before we get to the tee, because I feel like that's just the main event. So set that aside. So yeah, got a sticker pack here. Came with all the stickers, so let's open it up. There we go. Let's grab these out here. Came with 4 stickers actually. So that was very nice of them. So let's get right into it. So here is the Fear of the Black Planet sticker. Of course, give you guys a closer view. This is the counterattack on world supremacy. This is the picture in front of the White House. If you guys can see that. And this one is actually my favorite. I was so excited to get this one. And this is the Public Enemy Supreme sticker here. And then of course, they always throw in a regular box logo, which is very cool. So I was really happy to get the actual sticker pack as well with the poster. Let's get right into the t-shirt, main event. This is the white Terror Dome Public Enemy tee in size medium. So let's open this up. So there it is, everyone. The Public Enemy, welcome to the Terror Dome, Undercover Supreme, size medium white tee there. Give you guys a closer view of the tag. It says Undercover with Supreme there. I really like the look of this tee. I really like the skull with the Public Enemy sign right there. Overall, I'm very happy about both these tees. I know the chair tee isn't really that big of a hype piece, but for my very first Supreme pickup, I really enjoyed it. I really like the quality of both these shirts. And then I also have a sideline black hoodie coming in the mail right now. It's being shipped out, so it should be here by like Thursday or something like that. So I'm really excited to unbox that for you guys. I was very llucky to be able to cop that as well. So I can't wait to show that to you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out videos like crazy. But anyways, thank you all for your support. I'll see you guys later.
Sun don't shine in the shade. Bird can't fly in the cage. Even when somebody go away.